Okay, here's our apple. Sorry, I had a little mistake there. So we have an apple. How much of an apple do I have? A whole apple. I have my bagels. I just took them out of the freezer. I can't use them yet. But though a whole bagel and I cut it in pieces, it's half. Look it, I took this out because I want it to get soft. Here's 1 pound of butter. So that's what the box says, 1 pound. And I'm gonna make some cookies today. I might just include you in on that, okay? But how many parts is that pound divided into? 4 sticks of butter. So if I have 2 sticks, that's what I'm gonna use to bake my cookies. That's a half a pound. What if I only use a quarter and I put it on my butter dish? A quarter is 1 stick. See, boys and girls, we use math all the time. Even when you're eating and when you're baking. Isn't that fun? So do you remember what I showed you from my mystery box today? All right, so here's an idea for you to have fun with today. And if you can, go outside. Do it on the deck or on the sidewalk, just in case you spill. So remember these? They're measuring cups. And I dumped my rice in a bowl, and I'm going to measure. So I measured 1 cup. I'm going to measure a half cup. Which one's bigger? 1 or half? Yep, 1 cup is bigger. Now here's our new one for today. It's called a quarter cup. Boys and girls, it's the same idea of this. Or 1/4 or $1. We can divide everything. Oh, remember our ruler? We have 1 inch, we have 1/2 inch, we have 1/4 inch. See? We can divide things up into smaller pieces. Remember, each thing has to be equal. All right, so now I have a 1/4 cup. Now I'm gonna dump this out in my tray, and I want you to see which pile is bigger, all right? So I'm gonna dump, that is 1, and this is a half, and that is a 1/4. Okay, you ready to see? And I want you to practice with this too. Okay, look it. That's 1 cup of rice. This is a half a cup of rice. And that is a 1/4 cup of rice. Which one's bigger? Look at that. Isn't that interesting? I bet you can have fun seeing how many quarters you can fit into 1. Let's do that. I'm going to take it out of my bowl. So there's 1, 2, 3, I'm sitting on an angle there, 4. 4 1/4 cups equal 1 full cup. Now what if I dumped another 1/4 cup? Would it stay in there or would it overflow it? Watch. Oh, it overflowed. So have fun today measuring and scooping. And later on when I do some cookies, I'll have you help me measure. All right? Have fun measuring.